Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel at Mrs. K4860. Today we talk about this machine for health because it's used to take the medicine for the people who have a problem with the lungs, who is being prescribed by the doctor to use such a machine. This is the medicine, and when you put it there in, you have 2 times to inhale it, and you take the medicine to keep your lungs in order. Therefore, my friend, bear with me. You can come and get them here in Europe. They are in good price. Come, I will accommodate you at my place, and I will show you which chemists you can get such things, where you can have them in good price and you can open good business, because it's used not only for the people who have got problem with the lungs, it's also the people who have asthma. When the doctor prescribes for you the medication, then you have to use such machines to help keep your health in shape. So when you know where you can open a nice chemist, or you can look for the chemists which they can be interested to order these machines for helping people to have medicine. It's this type of a machine. So the medication is there, and you puff it from here, and you come to see that your health will be good. So this is a nice machine to help somebody who is having problem with breathing. This is a very, very, very nice, useful machine. It works perfectly. It's 100% good. A very nice machine. You see, this is where to use, and after using it, then you have to write down what when you have taken it, and you breathe in when you are using here. You take the medicine, it's there, you plug it there inside, and you use the machine to help you to have the medicine direct to the chest or direct to the lungs. So this is a very nice machine. You can open business with it, with this type of the machines, and their medications is these ones. So please try to expand business, and it's not only business, it's also helping people. And because I know you can be able to come in Belgium and buy these machines to help people to take medication, to help people with their health, please bear with me and try to come to Belgium. I will accommodate you, and if you are lucky, you can get them also for free, because there are some stores that they like to do total outselling, and they give the price with the throwaway prices. So whenever you want to open a business, go through all of my videos and you will see which type of the machines I talk about, and you can find them here in Belgium very easy, and you can open a business and you can create jobs to the people who they say that there is no job. Please create job for them. Create jobs for them. Try to have such a machine to open the business for the other people and to help the sick people how they can breathe nicely with no problem. And when you use it, you find that you feel much better, or the patient feels much better after using this type of a machine. Don't forget to find this type of a machine is so easy here in Belgium, and sometimes if you are lucky you can get them for free, totally free. Most of them they give them for free, and if you are lucky sometimes. And sometimes you find the shop they are almost closing, so you give just a little bit of money and you take a lot of the machines. Is yeah, it's a very, very nice, useful machine for the people who wants to open business, for the people who are not feeling good. They can use this one and they can breathe very nicely with no problem, because I understand there are some people which have got problems with breathing, and once they use a medication, in fact, even if you know somebody with a permit to open a chemist, you can come and here in Belgium and I will show you the chemists where you can get so many different types of medicine and hospital equipment, and you can make business, and at the same time you can be helping people who are not feeling good. And I will be happy when I hear from my videos you get to start your business, to order these things. You can order them through online, and you make nice money. You make to help people, and then everything will be okay and with no problem. Thank you. See you next time.